Welcome, retail traders. Today I want to talk a little bit about Tesla. The bears are definitely in control today, and I want to kind of talk about a little bit of support level where I think we might have landed, and really a very important support level. So we'll go ahead and pull up the chart. This is Tesla. We're going to go ahead and erase everything right here. So right now we're kind of setting up in a flag, and we've held this support at 1,000 for quite a while, for almost a couple months. And we're going to draw that trend line right across here, and that's where our support's going to be, right there at 1,001, 1,000, somewhere in 1,000. And we pulled back and just went a little bit below that today. Well, here on the daily chart, we run right into the 50, and that body of that 50 gives a little bit of support. You know, it'd be a pretty bad sell-off to try to pull her back to the 200. So I'd like to keep this hold. Now we're going to change this color just for right now into a red. That's going to be the very major support level that we have to hold. And this is the trend line that goes down, that forms that descending pattern. Many traders will think it's kind of a bull flag, or I don't. But it depends on the stock and the trade itself. Now Tesla's held this spot four times now in the past couple of months, and I just think we're at a very critical place. If we reverse, we could have a reversal back up to the top of this trend line. But our logical goal should be some kind of pivot point within this channel, within this flag. And I'm going to draw that where I think that resistance could be, and that's going to be right there at 1080, somewhere around 1080, between 1080 and 1062 and 1080. If we can hit that, that'll be great. That, or she's going to pull back to right around the 950 level. That's the bottom of this candle. Now we have a huge gap. I can't see it going below that. 950 would be the number. We'll go ahead and change this, make it more accurate. Boom, that'll work. 950. So today, what I thought was quite interesting, and I'll pull this up on the minute, is we had a beginning of a sneaky snake, and it just continued all day long. Now, you know, my strategy is a sneaky snake trading strategy. Buy at support and sell at resistance, recognize trends, and play the patterns that come out of that trend. And I use moving averages for resistance levels and places to get into the trade. So we're going to draw this right down here. We're going to take this first line and run it right up to this next one. And we're just going to draw our little channel right down. This is a bull flag. So we know we run into that 50 down here on the daily, and that's a good possibility that we could get a reversal. So I'm going to be looking for some resistance levels to get out of this trade. One of them is right here where we had this previous high and these previous lows. So we're going to draw a little resistance level right in there. Remember, this thing can fall back to 950, and that would be a solid bounce. Somewhere right in here, right around 1012. The next one's going to be right up a little bit higher. It's just stair stepping up, 1020, and then we'll try to get out of the trade right around 1028. 1028, or a little bit above it, to yesterday's lows right around 1034. Those are your resistance levels. You can stop this at any time and write these down. And also remember, I'd like to see it hold that 1,000. Could dip, pull right back up, find resistance, but that 1,000 would become resistance if it broke below. 950 is the one that we cannot dip below that at all. So this is Tesla. This is the beginning of the sneaky snake. Please follow and subscribe. Trying to get this up to 1,000. I'm right around 931 right now. I'd love to get 1,000 subscribers. Then you won't hear much out of me from after that. But also, There's a link down below that has a Discord link that we've kind of started a small room. And it's a free room. You're welcome to come in there. But I'm going to keep doing this. I'll also be doing it live during the day. If you don't want to be, active in a room, you can at least watch live on YouTube. And we'd sure appreciate it. But retail traders, that's what it's all about. Tesla, we'll see if we can get a nice reversal play on this and try to take it to resistance levels. And I've got 4 of them set for you here on the chart. That last one being 1034.68. And have a great day.